Aries, Sagittarius and Leo, welcome to my channel. Essential speaks messages, Gypsy Vishtaro, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Follow on Instagram SSHE LLS Essentials running. Okay, so did I mention the dates? 13 December till 19 December 2021. I'm hearing the message that you are looking for. Okay, there is something that someone is looking for. LOOKINGFOR, looking for. The whole energy is surrounding you and your dream, surrounding you and your decision, surrounding you and the person. If anyone is involved here, soulmate, twin flame connections and all that stuff. Okay, I see looking for. So maybe someone is thinking about you, you are thinking about someone, goes vice versa, general vibes, but I see like someone is looking for. You have the bottom energy as 3 of Wands energy. The connectivity is all about possible distance or something that you so want. This is also about when they are looking for, possible they are looking for where they are, even online. Real sense, real sense. You are looking for something. You're looking for even decision here because you also have 2 of Swords energy. Very interesting because you have your own vibe here. Interesting, okay? Because I'm seeing this with you. You have King of Wands energy. You are looking for solution. You are having certain patience, possible connected with someone in specific. This is also about money related. You're looking for that to come. You're looking for possible money to come. Maybe this is something that you worked on, okay? So you're looking for. You may be looking for someone to get ready in order to rejuvenate themselves and in order to come out and talk. Maybe someone stopped you. Because I feel with the 2 of Swords energy, you are at cross and you don't know why they're not talking. If this is the energy that why this person is not talking, or the reciprocation level is not that much, or not the way it was, then what is happening? You're also having that reflection. I'm going to take these 3 cards from beneath, okay? And then we are going to shuffle more because I see like you're keeping certain patience here, connected with either work, money, payment, something. But I see like you are looking to someone who is not talking. There's also air, so possible there's air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius for some of you. In this time frame, you might be feeling the change in the person from last 2 days, possible 3 days or 3 weeks kind of energy, the change that you might be seeing, and you're going to see it further. Someone over here is not reciprocating. Maybe they're not doing the way they used to, and for what reason, you have the reason, okay? I also feel like you've been looking for your dreams and desires, and in all that concept, something happened in your decisions. Something happened to energy connected with you. Like when you look back, they are not the same. They are not, no. And that might be giving you a little bit of stress here. Why? I feel like some of you been thinking of while you go before, like when you go for sleep, you might be thinking about what happened. Okay, things are going, you're moving, making your decisions, okay, but there is distance between you both, definitely. And this person might be on decision. Maybe they are making certain decision, okay, in their life. So both of your energy in the mid is about no talk or talking, but the reciprocation is quite off. That's all I can see. And you're looking to that, what happened. So that's what is looking for. Someone's concentration is distracting. But also this is the energy of bringing back that dedication in something. Okay? But in the meantime, things are happening. I feel like you want to organize something here in the future. You're working really hard. There is something that I see progressing in your life, okay? Like when you are working and doing stuff, you're also thinking about, and this is about thought, okay? So for some who are unable to manifest something here regarding certain connection or talk, they might be thinking about what? So when you are out of work, you're going to see whether they replied or not, or kind of. However, this reading can go vice versa, remember that, okay? This time frame is all about what you have put in effort in something, what you're doing, what your dedication is, but there is something that you're trying to organize. Possibly you're going to try to mend certain connection in the coming time. That's why you're looking for. Some of you are looking for new jobs here, looking for shifting somewhere, possible just to shift of one job to another job in the same city, possible, or however this fits you. And you are looking for talk. Eight of Wands energy, your movement is there, even your travel is there, possible your shift is there, connected to your work area and also stuff like that, because these are general readings, guys. So I do pick connections as in work areas or certain friendships or something else, okay? Not just lovers. You are trying, in this time, you are going to do something that you haven't done. You want to talk to someone, but someone is not in right terms with you, possible at work, or possible someone who is far from you and you don't know what is happening out there. This may also be your conversation, the way you both used to talk. Someone else is looking away from this whole situation and they are talking with someone else, possible. There's also someone who doesn't agree with you, possible, or you don't. There's going to be truth that's going to be out, which may be connected with Ace of Swords. There is someone who is away from you now, emotionally detached. Either you are or this person is. And this is also in this time frame, like when we are living the suits of life, like day to day, we are going to realize that who went away from us, and then that's the reflection in your past energies as well, if that is for you, or you might be doing that, okay? Now you want to talk with whoever wants to talk, but the one is not available, okay? For what reason? What happened? Because I feel like this person is busy now, and some act like, some are. Some take out time. It's all about priorities. What's in future coming? Someone is doing friend zone kind of energy here. This person, the one you connect, is definitely away. I feel like there's distance, either physical, yes. For some, there's going to be both. For some, this is going to be emotional. I have to say that because not everyone is living in the same city. There are distances. So you know that, right? But Three of Cups energy, there is denial of something. Someone is not in your periphery, not in your available zone, not in your control, and of course why. But with Three of Cups energy, there is something that is in denial. Someone doesn't want to meet you, or they are not in talking terms the way they used to. They are not that expressive, possible. There's a lot of confusion, and the reunion is being denied. I don't want to meet you. I don't want even to talk with you like on that basis. So there's something rough from someone's side, which may be the reason of circumstances. Someone is not your friend anymore, or they don't want to stay that way. I mean, confusion is clear, okay? And I also feel you miss this person. I'm going to use my own deck. In future, someone is going to miss someone very much, actually. And the presence is not there, okay? They don't want the same thing with you, possible. At least in this time frame, that's what I see. Someone doesn't want to be in that frame, and that's why looking for is coming, because they are not there. They don't want to be in that, they don't want that status, kind of. However, this may be you even. Someone may end up saying, I can't love you. Even I have this card in here, that came at the bottom. They may say, look, they have to say something. So maybe they'll say that I don't feel the same and I can't love you, possible. Maybe you have to say something to this person. But it's not the same anymore. Something is not the same anymore here. Maybe they'll clarify you something. Look, I can't love you. You see this? There are two cards. But someone is saying, I can't love you. Sorry, I can't love you. Connected with apology. Okay? This may be the energy of like, maybe you are sorry or they are sorry. And they're like, I'm sorry, I can't love you. Or maybe you're going to say, I'm sorry. and then you're going to hear, I can't love you, okay? Or maybe you're going to say, look, I can't love you, but I have so many feelings, I apologize, okay? I want to take things back. I mean, okay, possible, an apology is coming. Look, I can't love you, I said so, but I want. But someone over here, let's be clear about the fact that someone is sorry that they can't love someone. Who? You? To them, because that's creating more confusion in the friendship. That's creating trouble. That's making this friendship worse. And it's better to be friends. I feel like the one who's going to clear you, or you are going to, it's going to be, it's okay, it's sorry, can't love you, you know, let's be in the zone. I feel like someone is doing a friend zone here. Friend zone means we're going to be friends, no problems. Because maybe something is not too deep, okay? Because it was never done proper. So, I'm going to clarify Three of Cups reversed, okay? The Lovers with Gemini. Three of Cups. Someone doesn't see you, or you don't see someone the way you used to or they used to. It's not the same. Or maybe this is the energy that I can be friends with you, I love you. Simple as that. 11:11 recording time. Someone may end up saying, look, I don't see you as a friend because I love you, because I'm damn attracted to you. What's on Eight of Cups? There's breakthrough, and that's why walk away. Breakthrough and distance. Breakthrough and emotional concepts. Clear. 12:12 recording time. But with the Ace of Swords energy, when someone is walking away, one is very clear, and your energy is on high vibe. Like you are very much clear about something. The person is telling you, I'm sorry, I can't. But the Lovers is the sign of like sudden realizations of, oh God, I love this person. This is in my kind of like, can you see the fingers and stuck? And it's very stiff. Sometimes this happens. I wish I could show you. This is Justice, Libra. The right should be manifested. The pressure is on Eight of Wands, which is about I have to convey what is actually. What I do, what I'm weighing, what's going in my mind. Two of Swords. Someone is not going to be ready. It's on self-respect, which is self-esteem. Nine of Pentacles energy. They are now not interested. I feel like they're single. If they're not even, they just want to be independent, and they are. You might be dealing with someone who is full of themselves, which is not on a boasting level. It is about their self-respect is important. They are earning, they have pride, okay? However, this can go for you as well. Let's see, because you're looking at someone who is like this, okay? This may be someone from your past. Let's see on what you're looking at. King of Wands. You're looking at someone from where you're being possibly attracted to. Stop. Four of Cups. You're looking at someone or for someone looking for. You may offer cup, okay? If not, goes vice versa. But I feel like someone is, it's high time not to pretend, not to camouflage. And I feel like you're looking at the reflection point that now they're not where they are. You're figuring out, okay? That's what the cup is meant to be. You're thinking of doing it. Still thinking of, because your future call is Three of Cups reverse. This is about expression. I don't want to be a friend, I want to love you. Or maybe someone will say, I'm sorry, I can't love you. This goes from both sides. Remember that, because with the Lovers, there may be someone in the picture. If you're not there, who is there in their life, okay? Who is there in their life? Possible a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is there in their life. The one you're dealing. Possible. Two of Cups energy. You will or you would wish to reunite with this person. Someone is close to someone. Now you figure out if they walked away from you, who is close to someone. They may be close to Piscean here. If this falls in your chart, you may check that. But if not, this is the Piscean. You don't know the truth, where they are. Maybe they're dating someone. They may be talking to someone. They may be dating someone. They may be reuniting with someone. They may be busy. They are busy. They're not waiting for you, if that makes sense. And if that pertains with you, okay? No pressure, no force. But it's also the energy of like they may end up saying now, because the moon is like illusion out and the clarity is there, okay? The realization part is there, okay? We can be friends, but stay neutral. And this is the energy of like someone's wolf is there, okay? Someone's wolf or wolfie, like the female version. Okay, that's just my way. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.